Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. Yeah, I know I still sound like an undertaker, but yeah, I'm getting better. Thank you so much for your wishes and prayers. Yeah, but I'm doing this quick video to show you how to upload your own YouTube shorts. I've been doing a lot of trainings about YouTube shorts. I covered it. A lot of people are asking how do you upload it? How do you upload it? How do you upload it? How to do it? How to do it step by step? Show me. All right, here's the step-by-step tutorial to basically upload a YouTube shot, and which is kind of like, what is there, YouTube shots and all that. Let me show you first of all what's YouTube shot. See, I'm on here, and as you see on the top left, as you can see here, this is a YouTube shot. You can see like this. If you have one of the these are YouTube shots. It's like a rip-off version of TikTok, like what YouTube copied. Everybody's doing it. Everybody's doing it because it's working, obviously. So YouTube shot, cool version. Mr. Zuckerberg, would you be comfortable? Like, people can like swipe up like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and you got it, right? So a new way, a better way for your content distribution, right? So how do you upload it? First of all, make sure that you are on the right channel, like as you see on the top there. It's going to show you channel there. Just make sure you're on the right channel. You don't need to upload on your personal channel or your business channel or your personal thing. You get it, right? So now what you got to do, in the bottom you're going to see a plus icon there. I want you to basically click on it, right? As soon as you're going to click on it, you're going to see upload a video, create a shot, beta version, go live, create a post, right? So I want you to click on create a post. And you're gonna see like, hey, how you doing, folks? Yeah, and you're gonna see like this, and basically what you gotta do, you gotta click on, like, you can shoot like this. Hey folks, how you doing? I hope you're doing well and all that good stuff. Either or, like, what you can do, you can upload it, or you can create like a video from your computer or from any software, and you can find it at the bottom here, like here. You're gonna see upload version. I don't know if it's here, or here for you, but if it's here for me. So it's gonna see uploads. It's gonna open up your gallery. You can see a lot of cool stuff on my gallery. So I want you to basically choose a video. Again, make sure the video that you create is vertical, short format, less than 30 seconds, less than 30 seconds, less than 1 minute, straight to the point. Is the video you have, right?
I'm excited
so
to
there
introduce
you go. Oops, I can pause it. I can edit in the shots. I can turn this option. I can do some editing, some cool stuff there. I'm gonna hit the next. I'm going to create a title. Let me just put a title there. Make your dentures fit perfectly again. Fit perfectly again. With this revolutionary innovation. Oops. Innovation. Yeah, so basically do it, make your dentures fit perfectly again with this revolutionary innovation. And then you can like make your title as you wanna, select audience, make sure if it is age restricted, like you can it doesn't, you wanna, if it's like if you wanna age restricted, no, don't restrict my videos to viewers over, yes, restrict my, so it's up to you. I don't recommend touching that. All right, just make sure, is this video made for kids required? No, it's not made for kids. Okay, just make sure that you do it. If your video made for kids, you can choose yes, but my video is not, so it's pretty much very self-explanatory. Make sure it's public. You can put unlisted private schedule, doesn't matter whatever you do. Oh, no, wait, it matters. Like, you do not need to, you should not choose unlisted private schedule. You should like publish it as soon as you wanna, right? And then hit upload. And oh, is it uploading? Let me see. Yeah, one video is uploading. As you can see, if you go to the library, it's gonna show one video uploading. As you can see, it's like the circle is moving. Let's see when it's going to end, right? I mean, it's gonna finish, right? And I'm gonna show you how that looks like. There you go, upload complete. And then I'm just refresh it. There you go. Make your dentures fit perfectly again with this revolutionary innovation. There you go. That's a shot, right? Like, that's a
I'm
shot.
excited to introduce you
There you
to
go.
Denture Fit. It's a soft silicone material
So
that creates a
basically what's
new
gonna happen
impression of your
now
gum.
is when they basically go to shots, hopefully what's gonna happen, they're gonna see this, they're gonna see my tag, they're gonna see like here, they can hit subscribe, they can go to my channel to get more information, and that's how you do it, right? I hope you got a lot of value from it. I hope it solved your question. yeah, folks, that's pretty much it. Hope you got a lot of value. We'll talk to you soon. Cheers. Bye.